Welcome back, history enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a captivating journey through time to explore the fascinating world of medieval monasticism in ancient Britain. Join me as we uncover the secrets of these spiritual centers that shaped the very fabric of society in the Middle Ages. Medieval monasticism, a way of life rooted in devotion, scholarship, and service, flourished in ancient Britain during the Middle Ages. These monasteries, nestled in serene rural landscapes, became havens where monks and nuns dedicated their lives to prayer, contemplation, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Within these monastic communities, asceticism, simplicity, and a strict adherence to the monastic rule were paramount. Poverty, chastity, and obedience formed the cornerstones of their way of life, as they renounced worldly possessions and pleasures to attain spiritual purity. Yet, these monastic centers were not only places of devotion but also hubs of knowledge. Monks were scholars in their own right, dedicating themselves to the meticulous copying and preservation of ancient manuscripts. Their scriptoria buzzed with the intellectual pursuits that shaped the medieval world. These monastic communities were not isolated from society. On the contrary, they played a vital role in the social and economic fabric of medieval Britain. Monks and nuns tilled the fields, brewed beer, provided medical care, and offered hospitality to travelers and pilgrims. Lindisfarne, Iona, Glastonbury, Whitby Abbey. These were just a few of the remarkable monastic centers that dotted the landscape of ancient Britain. Each had its unique story to tell, from spreading Christianity to becoming renowned seats of learning and pilgrimage sites. Today, the ruins of these ancient monastic centers stand as echoes of a rich and profound heritage. They remind us of the enduring legacy of medieval monasticism and its impact on the spiritual and cultural tapestry of ancient Britain. So, my fellow history enthusiasts, get ready to step into the mystical world of medieval monasticism in ancient Britain. Together, we'll unravel its mysteries, discover its treasures, and gain a deeper understanding of the spiritual centers that shaped an era. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you won't miss out on the next episode of our historical adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep embracing the wonders of the past. See you soon. Medieval monasticism played a crucial role in shaping the spiritual landscape of ancient Britain. During the Middle Ages, monastic communities emerged as spiritual centers that fostered a unique blend of devotion, scholarship, and service. These monasteries, often nestled in rural areas, became sanctuaries where monks and nuns dedicated their lives to prayer, contemplation, and the pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. The roots of monasticism in Britain can be traced back to the arrival of Christianity in the early medieval period. Celtic Christianity, with its distinctive practices and traditions, flourished in regions such as Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. Monasticism was an integral part of this Celtic Christian movement, and monasteries became pivotal in spreading the faith, establishing schools, and preserving knowledge. The monastic life in ancient Britain was characterized by asceticism, simplicity, and a strict adherence to the monastic rule. Monks and nuns lived in communal settings, where they shared a common life and supported each other in their spiritual journeys. Poverty, chastity, and obedience were the guiding principles of monasticism, and the renunciation of worldly possessions and pleasures was seen as a means to attain spiritual purity. Monasteries were not only centers of devotion but also hubs of learning. Monks dedicated themselves to scholarship, copying and preserving ancient manuscripts, and engaging in intellectual pursuits. The scriptoria within monastic complexes were often filled with scribes meticulously transcribing religious texts, classical works, and scientific treatises. These monastic libraries became repositories of knowledge and played a vital role in the preservation of ancient literature and culture. In addition to their spiritual and intellectual pursuits, monasteries played a significant role in the social and economic fabric of medieval Britain. They often served as centers of agriculture, education, healthcare, and hospitality. Monks and nuns worked the land, cultivated crops, brewed beer, and provided medical care to the local community. They also welcomed travelers and pilgrims, offering them food, shelter, and spiritual guidance. Some of the renowned monastic centers in ancient Britain included Lindisfarne, Iona, Glastonbury, and Whitby. Lindisfarne, located off the northeastern coast of England, was an influential center of Celtic Christianity and a renowned seat of learning. Iona, situated on an island off the west coast of Scotland, was a prominent monastic community that played a vital role in spreading Christianity throughout the region. Glastonbury, located in England's southwest, became a significant pilgrimage site, believed to be the burial place of King Arthur. Whitby Abbey, perched atop a cliff in Yorkshire, was a thriving monastic center that served as a beacon of learning and spirituality. The impact of medieval monasticism on ancient Britain cannot be overstated. Monasteries provided stability, spirituality, and education during a time of political upheaval and cultural transformation. Through their devotion, intellectual pursuits, and service to the community, monastic communities left an indelible mark on the spiritual and cultural heritage of Britain. Even today, the ruins of these ancient monastic centers stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of medieval monasticism in shaping the spiritual centers of ancient Britain.